Hi there, students. To resent, a verb. Resentment, the corresponding noun. And resentful, the adjective. Okay, to resent is to feel angry and bitter about a situation. To feel indignant about what someone has done. He resents having to do a job he hates. He feels resentment at, notice the at, having to do a job he hates. Let's see, I was looking at this and we have to resent. But if you think about the verb to send, then we could also have resent. He resent the bill, to send again. Notice resent, but here resent. Yeah, resent, but resent. So here we're talking about resent. So to resent, to feel angry about something. I feel resentment at having to be dependent on my father for money. He resents the fact that I am richer than he is. I've always resented my brother because he's my mother's favourite and I'm the reject. I resent your interference in my affairs. I feel resentment at the way I was treated by the police. So to resent, to dislike, to object to hate, to feel bitter about, to be offended by, to be angry about. So resentment, you're upset about it. Yeah, it's how you feel inside. I resent being treated like a child. I resent the way she is so authoritarian. And I resent her new boyfriend. Yeah, I'm angry about it. So it's this feeling of anger inside. You have a grudge. Okay, so to resent, to be angry about a situation. To be angry at what someone has done. To be offended because somebody does something you don't like, or because a situation is not as you think it should be. I resent this unfair situation. I resent having to work on Saturdays. So, to resent, to hate, to be angry about something. I'd probably give this verb a 5 in formality. So you could use it informally and you can use it in a formal situation as well. Notice as well, it's a regular verb. I resented the situation. I have resented him all my life. And what about origin? Well, it comes from French. There's a verb in French, ressentir, to resent. And that itself comes from Latin, re, again, and sentir, to feel again. Okay? So, to resent, to be angry about something, to be angry about a situation, to have it burning inside, or I resent this. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Resent, not resent.